Morning. I don't know if you can tell from watching some of our other videos, but I'm down here on creek level now, and it's been kind of a challenge for us because there is quite a little bit of a hill here, or the bank is a little bit higher here, but we're in the process of building some steps down and wanted to kind of show you what we're doing, so stay tuned. All right, so we still got quite a bit of work to do. Obviously the handrail there is not going to be there. We just have it for stability for the moment. But we're in the process of building steps down here. We're going to have a platform right up here to step out to make it much easier to get down to creek level. And we're trying to build this to where it is, we have the posts here in concrete, hoping that they're going to hold up, because I don't know if we've had any videos before, but this creek can get pretty high, pretty much up to about that level here. So you can see the step here will be the initial step you go to. We'll have a couple more going down to a platform, and then from there you'll have steps going down to the creek. This is about a 4 foot, actually I think it's about 5 foot wide by 4 foot little platform. This area of the bank was kind of hollowed out by water over time, and so we just kind of leveled out the area a little bit. We didn't make hardly any adjustments to it. We didn't want to mess with the bank much at all, and we're just building this platform here to make it a little bit easier to get down. What you doing, Cupcake?
Playing with a little bit. We swinging. Huh.
Hey, baby girl.
Swinging. Say hey, Daddy.
Yeah, she's here watching Beans. Beans, what you doing?
Beanie boy.
What you doing, buddy? He's looking for stuff to do while they're working on the staircase. It took me a while to come up with that one. Beans. Hey, buddy. All right, so we're getting close. What do you think?
I'm excited to finally get to go down to the water.
It's looking good.
Yep.
All right, we got a few adjustments to make, but Cupcake wanted to try them out.
Yep. I get to go down.
Get down to the creek. Oh, Beans is already down there.
He beat me. Oh, that's perfect, CJ. I finally get to come to the creek.
It was easy going down?
Huh?
Easy walking down?
Oh, yeah. It was perfect. It was perfect. Yeah. Ooh, that's cold. Oh, my God, that's cold.
What do you think, Cupcake?
It's freezing, but I couldn't resist crossing. I think Beans is having fun.
Oh, yeah. So how's it coming?
I'm not gonna lie, the angle to have to stain this and then work my way backwards because it's too muddy down there. It's been rough, but I only got a little bit left. So.
And it looks good.
Yeah, I think so too.
Looks really good. All right, so you can see the finished product. We're very happy with it. Now we have an easy way to get down to the creek without sliding through mud and jumping off. We can easily walk down to the creek. This is going to be so much better for us. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and follow us on our adventures, please do so. If you have any comments or suggestions for us, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Hey, buddy.